Mwihoko wa gucokereria gwa githomo university-ini ni uringite ihiga oro ringi thutha wa miario ya gwetha uiguano wa kunina mugomo uyu kwaga maciaro guku ciama cia UASU na KUSU makiuga no meguthie na mbere na mugomo.
This time you clear with us is when we shall sign a return to work formula. There's nothing like on or before. Now you have confirmed that the figure is 7.9 billion.
Gatagati ka maundu maria macungiriirie mugomo uyu uria ukuite mburi tatha ni ciringi bilioni 7.9 iria aruti wira aya a university mararandura thirikari, nayo thirikari mwena ungi kauga commission ya mishara ni reganite na thiri uyu.
That figure was not agreed upon. So what we did then is to ask the IPPCU, the organization that deals with the unions from the university side, to get all the payrolls from the universities and go through the figures as to how much has been paid. That exercise was done from Friday last week all the way to the day before yesterday.
I don't even know how the CS or the PS are going to look like. Because they went out there saying, oh, unions, yeah, 624, unions are confused. Unions, they should go back to school. Who should now go back to school?
We shall not call off the strike before we negotiate, sign and register and implement the 2025, 2029 CBA. Get it? Negotiate, sign, register and implement.
Kuma mugomo uyu wambiriria ni ihinda ria ciumia 6 arutwo morirwo ni guthoma, ciama ici cia aruti wira igikuithia thirikari murigo uyu.
Tunaambia wanafunzi wetu waende kwa serikali kwanza, waulize serikali ni kwa nini inafanya wao waendelee kukaa nje ya madarasa, na ili hali wazazi wao wamejitolea wakalipa karo.
The universities have been instructed that once there is a return to work formula, the time that has been lost by the students, the 5 or 6 weeks that have been lost, will have to be created. These extensions need to be done so that the students do not miss the programs or the studies that they were supposed to do within that period.
Guthie na mbere kwa mugomo uyu ni undu utumite atongoria amwe kuorota thirikari makiendekithia ihingie matetama ya maruti a wira a university.
Thirikari itie andu aria mathomithia thiini wa universities niyo lecturers na aruti wira aria marutaga wira na teaching staff thiini wa universities ciothe cia Kenya. Aria othe ni members a UASU na kutheiha. Na thirikari marihe bilioni 7.9 iria marandai thirikari kuringana na CBA iria masainire hau kabere.
Ngiribotera Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.